Beautiful ranch tucked onto a perfectly landscaped corner lot in the Shen School District. The lush, green lawn is one of the first things you'll notice, and it only gets better from there. Inside, you'll find HOU floors, central air, and an eat-in kitchen with SS appliances. The finished basement adds great bonus space with a cozy family arm and a separate office area. The roof, April 2024, and gas conversion, December 2023, are both transferable. Out back, relax on the patio, enjoy the shade under the pergola, and take advantage of 2 sheds for extra storage, with public water. An attached garage, and plenty of off-street parking, this home has that perfect blend of comfort, space, and curb appeal just mins from I-87 and everything Clifton Park has to offer. See attached add TL docs for more details.